Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will learn you how to make smoke text effect on Canva. Create new design, choose presentation and go to text, add a heading, write like welcome and choose your preferred font like this and resize it and go to elements, choose shape and rectangle shape and make it behind the text. Click right layer and show layers and change the text color to white color and resize the shape and download the page, delete all elements and go to upload and upload the page and insert the image and remove the background and go to edit after editing and choose custom and change the colors to white color and this highlight color also and go to elements and look for smoke or blue smoke as you want. Go to video and we select this. I don't like it. We'll choose this. I think this one is good. Remove the background of the video looks good and make it behind of the text and click on duration and go to playback, increase the speed to move the video to the bottom a little bit and then replay the video again. Now our smoke effect is ready. You can download the video now. Thank you for watching this video and make subscribe in my channel and see you in next tutorial.